the animals. Episode 17, Black Widow Spider. Yikes! Who are you? I'm a Black Widow Spider. Spiders have 8 legs. Where do you live? Black Widow spiders live all over the world. We like dark places. We often hide under rocks or in basements. I like your red markings. Only females have these markings. Our markings look like an hourglass. What do you eat? We eat bugs. We like flies, beetles, and grasshoppers. How do you catch prey? We make webs. Then we wait for bugs to come by. The bugs get caught in our webs. How do you make a web? We use silk. Our bodies make a silk. The silk is very strong and sticky. You're dangerous, right? We usually leave people alone. But we do fight. Our bites can make people very sick. Oh, I trapped a grasshopper in my web. Goodbye. Goodbye, Black Widow Spider. Hi, I'm Lucas. Hi, I love you. Goodbye.